Hello friends. Whistling windows and doors is not an uncommon issue, and it usually has an easy fix. But first of all, we must find the cause. To start with, the cause is always the wind getting in through a crack. And just like with a wind instrument, the sound is produced when the wind vibrates in the crack. So we have to find that crack or cracks that are letting the wind in. That is, this is an insulation problem, and we can fix it with insulation. The problem with these windows is that they were badly manufactured. This mold should be perfectly lined with that other one, so that the fluffy stuff there lies on this surface, on the other side of course. And that would stop the wind from getting in. To find the exact place where wind is coming in, we should stick some toilet paper all around the window, especially where we see cracks. Now we only have to wait for the window to start whistling, and when we see the paper moving with the wind, we'll cover that section with a temporary cover to test if that solves the problem. We must repeat this in every part where the paper moves till the problem is solved. The sound of a pane bonking against the other is because the middle pane that should be fixed came loose at some point. So we fixed it with a screw, and that solves the problem. As we have been able to see thanks to these papers, the wind comes in between these two panes of glass, and also through these two panes. Now I'm going to start by sealing these two panes to see if that solves the problem, and if not, we'll have to continue with this one. Here I seal these two panes with a plastic tape so no wind can come in. And now we must see if we still have wind noise coming from the other side. But we will have to wait till we get some wind. After about an hour listening to the wind, trying to hear some sound, it seems that having sealed off this part, this connection here, that would be enough. But I noticed that these papers still are moving, and when the wind is really hard, strong, I can hear a soft noise here of wind. So we are going to seal off this part also to eliminate that sound completely. I could use double-sided tape here, but I prefer to use silicone. Now we wait half an hour for it to go hard, and then we put the window pane on. Now we have to wait for a bit of wind and see if we still have noise. From here we can see that there is a bit of wind outside, but there is no whistling inside. It also seems that the cars are less noisy. Well, that's it. I've been listening for 2 days now and I haven't heard any wind sound, whistling or anything. Even the volume of the cars going by has lowered. So I think I fixed it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.